Hello students, today we will learn about more on Tux Paint. Hello children, welcome back to Tux Paint. I hope you remember me and the topics that we have learned together in the previous class. Let us have a quick review about the tools we have learned till now. We have learned how to use the Paint freehand drawing tool, along with various brush shapes, lines tool to draw beautiful patterns, and have also tried our hands at some magical effects using the magic tool. We have also learned how to save our work as well as open an already saved file. Let us learn more about Tux Paint and its wonderful tools. Who is he? He is Bill Kendrick, the lead developer and designer of Tux Paint. Student note that Tux Paint is translated in more than 85 languages. Many Indians have participated actively in the translation process of Tux Paint into the languages of Indian origin. Ankit Malik, Hindi; Ravi Shankar, Aya Kanu, Tamil; Karthik Mistry, Gujarati; Pavitran Shakamusi, Telugu. Let us talk about Shape Tools. Shapes tool is used to draw various filled and unfilled polygonal shapes. The unique feature of this tool is rotation. We can also rotate the shapes to any angle on a 360 scale. Let us learn how to draw various shapes using this tool. Let us draw a square at various angles. Select the Shapes tool from the toolbox. Select the square shape from the sub-tool box on the right-hand side. You can either choose a blank square or a filled square. Bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Select a point on the drawing area that will act as the center of the square. Now click and drag the mouse. Choose the desired size and release the left mouse button when you have completed the square. Read the instructions given by the penguin. Now you can see a spun arrow on the drawing area. This spun arrow is used to spin the image at any angle from the center point. Try spinning the arrow in any direction to spin the square. Once you have finished, click in the drawing area to see the final image. Let us draw 4 different square shapes at various angles. Likewise, try your hand with other shapes as well. Students note that there are 16 different shapes available in the sub-toolbox of the Shapes tool. Okay, let's talk about Eraser tool. The eraser tool is used to erase unwanted parts of the picture. It is very easy to use. Select the eraser tool from the toolbox. Select the desired shape of eraser from the sub-toolbox. Bring the mouse pointer in the drawing area. Click on the left mouse button and drag the eraser to the area that you want to remove. Alright students, let us talk about New tool. You cannot work in a single file forever. You always make different files for different drawings. Once you have saved your previous work, you can open a new file using the New tool from the toolbox. Let us learn how to create a new file. Click on the New tool in the toolbox. You will get color boxes and starters to start a new drawing. Click on the down arrow button. Select any color or frame of your choice. For example, select the green background color box. Click on the Open button. You will find a blank screen with a green background color. Now you can draw anything in the drawing area. Since your canvas is green, you must use light colors like white, yellow, green or pink. Now create some new files with different background colors. Great job! Now we will learn some more magical effects. Students, can you tell me that which bird in Tux Paint helps you to know more about various tools? Students, know the fact that there are 47 different background colors or pictures with which you can start a new drawing in Tux Paint. Students, let us talk about Edges effect. It is a unique feature in Tux Paint. Using this tool, we can differentiate the edges from an already drawn image. Let us see how it works. Click on the Shape tool and select any filled shape from the Sub-tool box. Now, draw the selected shape. Select the Magic tool and choose Edges from the Sub-tool box. Using your magic wand, click and drag it over the entire picture. You will observe that it will erase the solid part of the image and display the edges, outline of the shape. Students, note that Tux Paint supports vector graphics, which means that you can draw images that can be zoomed up to 100 times their original size without compromising on the quality of the image. Students, let us talk about drip magic. What happens when water is sprinkled on a drawing made with a sketch pen or a letter that is written using ink pen? The ink or colors will scatter and drip away like water. Similarly, this magic sub-tool gives a dripping effect to the drawing. Let us see how it works. Open a new file in Tux Paint. Select a green background. Click on the Text tool and write the following text. Hello, I am learning Tux Paint. Now select the Magic tool and choose the Drip effect from the Sub-tool box. Drag the magic wand over the text to add dripping effect to it. Check how the text changes after applying the drip effect. Now let us talk about foam effect. You must have seen your mother washing clothes. Whenever she adds washing powder to the water, a lot of foam appears on the water. Similarly, this tool adds the foam effect wherever you want. Alright students, let us talk about grass effect. To draw grass, you can simply use the grass effect from the Sub-tool box to draw neat and tidy grass. I hope you remember the various paint brush shapes that you have studied in the previous class. Open a new file with white background. Select the Paint tool. Choose blue color and draw the river. Now select the Magic tool and Fill effect. Click on the ground to fill green color in it. Likewise, fill blue color in the river. Now select the grass effect and choose dark green color. Draw some grass at the river bedside and on the ground. Select the Paint tool again and pick the Wine tool from the Brushes section. Draw the upper part of a tree using Wine tool at the right of your screen. To make it more beautiful, you can select a few colors and keep clicking on the upper part of a tree. Select the Magic tool and choose the Flower tool and draw flowers of different colors. Select the Foam effect and draw some foam along with the river. Select the Paint tool from the Sub-tool box and choose the starfish shape. Select brown color from the colors palette and draw a few starfish on the foam. Similarly, you can use many brush shapes and magic effects to draw beautiful pictures. Wow! What a beautiful picture you have drawn! Students note that drawing flowers is no longer difficult. You can now make ready-made flowers of various colors using the flower magic effect. This subtool will draw curvy stalked flowers. Now let us talk about rainbow and real rainbow effect. Rainbow effect draws a trail of rainbow colors as you drag the magic wand on the drawing area. Real rainbow allows you to draw a rainbow that we see in the sky after a rainfall. Let us try both the effects. Select the magic tool from the toolbox and the rainbow effect from the sub-toolbox. Now place your magic wand anywhere in the drawing area and drag it to some other point in an arc shape. You will see a train of rainbow colors as you draw. Click on the undo button. Now select the real rainbow effect. Choose a single point on the drawing area. Click and drag the wand from one end to the other. You will see a rough sketch of the rainbow as you drag your mouse. As you reach the end point and release the left mouse button, you will see a real rainbow on the canvas. Students, note that TuxPaint will soon launch a new range of magic effects named Blind, Hexagon Mosaic, Irregular Mosaic, Perspective, Puzzle, Roigev, Zoom, and many more. Okay, let's talk about noise effect. Noise effect is used to add white noise to our drawing. Sometimes while watching television, the TV signal suddenly disappears. At that time, you see thousands of black and grey dots on your screen with some noise. That is called the black noise. White noise is a mixture of grey, blue, maroon, and white dots. Now let us talk about smudge effect. Smudge effect is used when we draw water bodies in our drawing. It is used to mix two different colors smoothly. This tool gives effects as if the color is mixed using wet paint. Let us draw a blue ball and a yellow ball close to each other. Now click the magic tool and select the smudge effect from the selector. Drag the magic wand on these join lines till you get the desired result. It will create a beautiful smudge effect. Students, we shall discuss about waves effect. Waves effect is used to wiggle any picture side to side, horizontal. Let us use this effect. Open a new file with blue background. Select the paint tool and draw a filled curved structure. Now select the magic tool and then select the waves effect from the sub-toolbox. Penguin's instructions appear below the drawing area. Read those instructions carefully. Now click on the screen to get the desired waves effect. Clicking at the bottom of the screen will provide taller waves. Children know the fact that you can buy various merchandise of TuxPaint ranging from t-shirts, hoodies, lunch boxes and even magnetic stickers from the online store. Alright, let us learn about wavelets effect. The wavelets effect wiggles any picture up and down, vertical rather than side to side. Let us apply this effect to our drawing. Undo the changes on your drawing using the undo button from the toolbox. Click on the wavelets effect. Read the instructions given by the penguin. Click on the top of the drawing area to add shorter waves to your drawing. Well done. Now save your work. You have learnt almost everything about the TuxPaint, its various tools and their sub-tools as well. Draw more pictures with new effects and ideas for better understanding of the tools. Students know that thousands of children across the globe submit their artwork made in TuxPaint. You can also draw beautiful drawings and send it to bill@newbreedsoftware.com. with your name, age and location. If your drawing is selected, it will be published on the TuxPaint site. Hey students, TuxPaint software can be downloaded from http://tuxpaint.org/download/. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. TuxPaint is a free drawing program for children. TuxPaint has an entertaining interface comprising of funny sound effects and a cartoon penguin that helps us to learn more about various tools and subtools. TuxPaint is available in more than 85 different languages. Many Indians have also participated actively in the translation process of TuxPaint into various languages of Indian origin. There are various magical effects and paintbrush shapes in TuxPaint. We can use these to draw beautiful pictures. The rainbow effect is used to draw a trail of rainbow colors. The smudge effect is used to mix two different colors smoothly.